Right now, the stock market is very volatile, especially the international markets. Today it's up, tomorrow it's down. It's very hard to predict the direction of the market. But a lot of people are on the sidelines. They don't know what to do and they're wondering if now is the right time to jump into the market. What we're waiting to see in the market is something called a catalyst. We need to see some positive news, some new development that's going to cause the economy on a global scale to recover. When we see that, that is when now we can start thinking about investing from a long-term perspective. However, there's still money to be made on short-term trading right now because there are a lot of investors who are playing the volatility of the market in short-term trades and are using that to create passive income right now. If that's what you're looking for, then employ those short-term strategies. If you're looking for longer-term strategies, you want to wait just a bit until we see that catalyst occurring in the economy.